the fourth round I will make 1 double crochet, increase and 1 double crochet. Start with 2 chain and next stitch I make 1 double crochet, increase one double crochet, increase and double crochet next stitch. One double crochet, increase and 1 double crochet. Make the same total 12. The last of the fourth round I make slip stitch in the last stitch and after I change to white color. I start with white color. I make 2 chain and the fifth round make 1 double crochet, increase and 3 double crochet in each stitch. This we counting 1 double crochet and increase double crochet, increase and next 3 double crochet, 1 2 3 repeat the same. 1 double crochet, increase and 3 double crochet in each stitch. The last stitch I make slip stitch. Now finish the fifth round and next the fifth round I start with 1 chain and skip 1 stitch, 1 and I make 7 double crochet in next stitch here. One, 7 double crochet in the same stitch, 2